Let's talk about the rain because we have had quite a bit of it over the past few days. And if you hadn't heard, this just kind of puts it all into perspective. Now, we're comparing what we typically see out of Bluegrass Airport to what we picked up at the Kentucky Mesonet site, which is about 7 miles south of Lexington, south of the airport there. But you can compare them for sure. We average 4.44 inches in a typical June. The total monthly precipitation, we have almost picked that up in the last 3 days through the Kentucky Mesonet's ongoing rainfall total from Sunday through this morning. We have been swamped with repeated rounds of torrential rainfall. I mean, look at these numbers. Shelby County, over 4.5 inches of rain. Nicholas County, north and east, you've had over 3 inches of rain. And even Mercer County, around 3 inches. Franklin County, 2.5 over. In Madison County, over 1.5 inches. So just overnight, we've had 0.8 of an inch in Lexington. Now, these numbers have stopped because the rain has let up. But we're not done with it. There's more. It's reloading, essentially. Showers and storms north. You've got additional showers, some storms firing into our southeastern counties, a little bit of lightning. And keeping an eye out down south because this is the direction the next wave is coming from. And it's already building down along I-75 towards Somerset. So we will have additional showers and storms coming in. I think these may take a slightly more southerly track, impact some of our southern counties that weren't quite as hard hit overnight. But here you can see the ongoing precipitation there. So yeah, we're still stuck in this very stagnant rut with a flash flood watch continuing from the East Coast right down through Kentucky. It goes through 2 o'clock this afternoon here in the Bluegrass and through 8 o'clock this evening for our southeastern counties. And it's that semi-stalled front just kind of wavering around Ohio and Indiana. We're in that southerly sector of it, which means it's very warm and muggy. The atmosphere is juiced up. We've got plenty of moisture to tap into. We just keep seeing these waves of showers and storms. Now, what's going to change this up is a cold front coming in. Out west is where the severe threat is today. But look at tomorrow, the severe storm threat from the Storm Prediction Center, marginal to slight risk. And we'll have a round of storms diving in that could hit us Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then by Thursday, that threat shifts out toward the East Coast. But the future track shows this morning round of rain tracking east, southeast, diminishing. We'll probably see an afternoon break and then see additional development later on today, scattered stuff. But watch what happens as you get into Wednesday night. That's Wednesday morning. Keep your eye out west. Late Wednesday evening, here comes that round of potentially strong to severe storms, some damaging wind gusts not out of the question. This is a cold front that's tracking through, so we'll actually have a front push through, may cut that humidity slightly, and overall just shift the pattern going into the weekend. It may actually start to feel more like June, more like summer around here because it's felt like we're just in the middle of a tropical monsoon in the last few days. Southerly wind right now out at 6 miles per hour. We're in the 60s and 70s, heading for the highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Familiar territory. More showers and storms. The potential is there for flash flooding. We are so waterlogged, we are so swamped, saturated that any additional heavy rain we get could immediately lead to flash flooding hazards. So if you're driving around, you can encounter some heavier rain today, just be extra cautious. There's the weekend. After that cold front, a quiet Friday, the beginning of summer, the summer solstice, and the weekend storm chances, a little more typical stuff. Heat of the day, pop-up stuff into the afternoon, and a whole lot of 80s heading our way as well.